today's part of mail time, we have a lot of models that they came in the mail. I guess this is too much for this little table, so we're gonna move away this. First, we have a Trackmaster Revolution wagon, a Spencer's tender, black caboose. They need just a little wash. Red caboose. I think this is for Rosie. And we have cart that is Hero. Oh, look at that. They need new decals. We have a chocolate syrup green car with blue chassis missing. Oh, look, this was supposed to be a troublesome truck. Yeah, missing the coupler. Found Hero standard. We have a Thomas, Rosie. Decals are good actually. And I found Gordon. Now let me tell you, it's some sort of very old and broken model, and I think this can be used only for parts only. The coupling, maybe the motor and the wheels and the side rods. Other than that, oh, the also, yeah, we can use the battery terminals and the battery cover. Next models we have Victor, Percy, both Mattel 2009. They look okay. Probably you remember previous video. I replaced the decals on this. I'm gonna show you on the next video how to do this. Two more carts or wagons. Another red caboose. This is darker, this is lighter, and we have Fling. I think Fling looks okay. Snow clearing Thomas. Yeah, it's complete, even with the middle wheels here, and we have Toby. We're gonna test this at the end of the video. We have Rusty my man. Okay, and then we have Dash. Yeah, normal tear and wear, that's good. I found this Henry. Look at the wire. Oh, decals look okay, so yeah. But as you might know, I always like to paint them blue. Here is another one in the process of middle of making this blue Henry. Yeah, it's better to paint them blue, so you end up with an amazing product like this. Yeah, I love painting blue, it's great. Same box, we have a, oh look, this is Tomy, but of course broken wire, just need a rewiring. Probably we can paint it black or something else, maybe blue. James. Also we have the last item. This one is Mattel. Oh, look at the wire. It's, oh, it's split in two. No problem, no biggie. We can actually, you know what, let me show you. We can cut some rubber coupling. Look how this is very strong, very good. Yeah, I mean, it will not look good, but it will look okay just to keep it together. But since I'm gonna paint it, I guess I'm gonna find good couplers. According to seller's description, only Flynn, Rusty, Percy, Rosie, and Thomas work. Now, this product was sent by a seller on Amazon. I'm just gonna share the link in the description. The item is no longer available, and at the end of the video you can see this in action. Flynn with fresh batteries, it is working, works great, so that's good. Look, that spider, oh, that was inside the train. Rusty is working, and listen to this motor, very quiet, very nice. Yeah, you just need a little cleaning and it's good. You know what, in the next videos I'm gonna show you how to repaint this. I spray paint them and prepare, so I'll let you know later. Percy also works. I don't know if you've seen my videos, and check my website customtrackmasters.com. I painted one of these silver and I already sold another one, so I'm making customs right now. If you're interested, check the link in the description, customtrackmasters.com, products. Percy works. Rosie also works, but let me tell you, it looks like it's keeping a gear. Yeah, it's axle gear is broken, it needs to be replaced. Look, other than that, I'm gonna say the motor is quiet. That's what I love it. No clearing, Thomas. Also, it is in working order. I don't know if I'm gonna make a Timothy the Ghost engine. I always love to make Timothy the Ghost engine out of these models. More profit than these things, you know. But anyways, let's continue. According to the seller, Toby doesn't work. So let's do some magic. Looks like tapping didn't work. Oh, 3 volts, fix it. Fix the problem. And voila, Toby is working. Easy fix. I like it. Just need a little cleaning. So we have Toby working. I see why the seller couldn't make it run. There is some corrosion, rust, battery terminal. And yes, it's not running. So I'm gonna give it a jump with 3 volts. Euro definitely needs a gear. This is the motor that makes the noise. Expect a new video soon, how to fix and repair this model, and also restoration. Yeah, Victor definitely needs more work than we thought. Yeah, even I tried with 3 volts, but nothing happens. See, nothing happens. Completely dead for parts, or maybe a restoration for another video. Now this Thomas is not even working. Let's do a trick, some tap. No, okay. If that doesn't work, so we're just gonna give 3 volts. Okay, now it is working. It just needed a little. It's skipping a gear or something. No, it's not. It's actually good. Yeah, it just needs a little cleaning and good to go. Or maybe I can make another custom like this. Yeah, more profit if you make it a custom. Of course, it takes more time. Oh, look at that. There's heavy corrosion, battery corrosion on this model. Let me tell you, I make it run for a little bit, but the problem is that there is some sort of dirt inside of the mechanism. See, this is off. It should run freely, but it's something is blocking it. See, it's working. Yeah, it needs a nickel plating. Gordon, definitely I cannot make it wrong at this time, but it's complete. Now, Henry, I don't know about that. Oh, look at that. I just give it a couple of taps and it run. Actually, see the wire right there? It needs new wiring, but it's working. Yeah, that's great. And it's very quiet, to be honest. For the age of this model, oh, look at the roof, very clean. I like it. Just a little detail, but I like it. Great, 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 great. Definitely a good lot of models. Just a couple to fix and repair. That's good. Okay, let's continue.